A curious feline steered a little boat. The sun gleamed above,
His
the
eyes
horizon
sparkled,
beckoned.
reflecting excitement.
But wait,
An unusual
what was that
island
shimmering in the
full of
deep?
promises.
Suddenly, clouds
bounded
gathered
ahead,
like a parade
paused,
of giants.
touching the
The
ground.
sea roared with
Clever
fury,
little
tossing the
crew
vessel like a feather.
first, laughter bubbling as they ventured deeper.
Down they spiraled into a world unknown. Luminous
Before them
creatures
lay a treasure
danced,
chest of
leading
glowing
them to a
magic.
hidden kingdom.
A
beneath the
whimsical
waves.
figure hovered nearby, riddles dancing
The
in
realm
his
of
eyes
Aquaria
with
sparkled
distant
around
bits.
them. A gentle ruler approached, her eyes
First
full of
solve the
wisdom.
riddle of the echo, he chimed. The world seemed to hush.
But trouble lay
brimming with
within this
anticipation.
enchanting beauty. A sly crustacean
A
plotted
sudden
with the
commotion.
stolen coral gem,
Round,
casting
bouncy
gloom
fruits
over the
interrupted their
kingdom.
thoughts. One thudded near the determined
Together with their
felines
new
tried
ally,
to leap
they
and
entered the
dodge.
maze. Each bend held secrets and
Dodging
wonders,
expertly,
yet
they
distractions
chuckled at
lurked
the
at
folly
every turn.
unfolding. With flips and tumbles, the larger companion
A slippery
became
guardian
comical
waited,
sight,
guarding the
struggling
treasure
amidst the
fiercely.
fruit parade.
While one dreamed of chasing seahorses,
Just
the
as
other
victory
devised a
seemed
plan.
near, colorful wings darkened the sky.
Quick and
A
clever,
riddle
he
seized
diverted
in
the
the beak of a
protectors.
cheeky
The
parrot,
gem shimmered,
flapping away
and
at
for a
mischief.
fleeting moment, chaos faded into curiosity.
Quick thinking prevailed. As the clever ones
Confrontation,
scattered breadcrumbs,
anger filled the
feathery
water,
bandits
but their hearts
followed,
remained calm.
leaving a golden path
Instead of
towards their
conflict,
next clue.
cleverness became their weapon.
Finally, the awaited riddle
Working
was
together,
asked.
they spun a tale of
Excitement
distraction.
surged.
The
Together
schemer
they read,
stumbled, his own
pondering
chaos
over
turned
words
against
hidden
him.
in mystery. An odd
With the gem
sight,
restored,
a shining
light danced through
instrument
the waters.
inviting harmony.
The kingdom
Exchanged
rejoiced, its beauty restored,
Thoughts racing,
life
the answer
thriving once
dancing
again.
just out of reach.
A shimmering gift
As the
was
final
bestowed,
riddle approached,
promises of
tension
wonders
set.
ahead.
Could they
Eyes
combine
full
their
of longing,
cleverness?
they set forth
Outside
their
the lines
next
of
grand
ordinary
adventure.
thinking,